Good morning children. In previous class, I explained how to write small alphabet. Okay. All are practicing at home. Okay. Given homework no to write 3 times. Yes. Everybody completed no. In that now I'll ask you identification of the letters. After that I'll tell you. Okay. First I'll ask the identification of letters. Come on children. First off, what is this letter? Can you say what is this letter children? Come on, say this letter. What is this? Small ear. What is this? Small ear. What is this? Small ear. And the next one. Come on children. See here. What is this letter? Small r. What is this letter? Small r. Small r. What is this letter? Small r. And next. What is this letter children? Come on say. What is this letter? Small g. What is this letter? Small g. And the next one. Come on. What is this letter? Small t. What is this? Small t. What is this letter? Small t. And then what is this letter? What is this letter? Small a. What is this letter? Small a. Come on. What is this letter? Small j. What is this letter? Small j. Come on. What is this letter? What is this children? Small q. What is this letter? Small q. Come on. What is this letter? What is this letter? Come on. Small y. What is this letter? Small y. What is this letter? Small y. Come on. What is this letter? Small e. What is this letter? Small e. Okay, very good. Now, I am going to teach you some three letter words. Some 3 letter words which are very new to you and very easy also. Come on. Some 3 letter words now I am going to teach you. Very easy to read and write. Okay? Come on. First one. Come on. First one. 3 letter words. First one. See here. First one is X. How to read and write X. Now some 3 letter words I am going to teach you. These are very easy to learn and write. Okay, it's not difficult. But these words are very new to you. Okay na? Now how to read, how to write. Now I'll show you. Come on. Number 1. First one is A X E. X. What is this? A X E. X. A X E. X. X means what you know? X means this is X. What is this? This is X. What is this? This is an X. This will use to cutting the trees, to cutting big trees. We use this X to cut the big trees and wood also. Okay na? Yes. Here A X E. X. Here see here A dash E. What letter is missing here? What letter is missing here? A X E. X. A dash E. X. What letter is missing here? Very good. X. X is missing here. Now I am putting X. See here, all of you. A X E. X. What is this? A X E. X. Come on, you should read like this. A X E. X. See here. A X E. X. This is X. X will be like this. This will use to cut the trees, cut the wood. Okay na? Yes. The next one. Come on. What is this letter children? Small b. What is this letter children? Small b, small a and small t. B A T. What amma? Do you know? B A T. Bat. See here. B A T. Bat. See here. Bat will be like this. You know. You all will play with this, no? Okay. This is a bat. What is this? A bat. Come on. B A T. Bat. See here. We'll write A. What is this? A. B. A. T. Bat. B. A. T. Bat. With bat and ball, we play what game, Mama? Cricket. We'll play cricket with bat and ball. We'll play cricket. Okay. Do you like to play cricket? Yes. This is a bat. What is this? B. A. T. Bat. A. X. E. Axe. B. A. T. Bat. Next. P. E. N. Pen. What is this? P. E. N. Pen. P. E. N. Pen. This is here pen. This is a pen. Your sisters and brothers will write like with this, no? Yes. Your small children, no? You will write it with pencil. You are writing with pencil. But your sisters and brothers will write with pen. This is used to write the notes, to write something. Okay? We'll use write the pen. We use pen to write something. Okay? Okay. Here. See here. P. E. N. Pen. This is a pen. See here. P. Dash. N. What letter is missing here? See here. Come on, children. What letter is missing here? Yes. E. 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 In the middle, you should write E. See here. This is a pen. What is this? P. E. N. Pen. See in this picture. We use pen to write the notes, to write something. Okay. This is we'll use to write notes or something. Okay. This is pen. Pen spelling P. E. N. Pen. What is this? P. E. N. Pen. And next one. C. A. R. Car. What is this? C. A. R. Car. What is this? C. A. R. Car. What is this, children? C. A. R. Car. See here. Car. You are all playing with car toys, no? Yes. This is a car. What is this? A car. This is a car. In real car, we'll go somewhere. We use car this to go one place to another place. We go somewhere to travel. Okay. This is a car. Okay. What is this? Car. See here. C dash R. C dash R. What letter is missing here? C A R. Car. C is there. R is there. What letter is missing here? A. What letter is missing here? A. Come on. This is a car. See here. C A R. Car. What is this? C A R. Car. Next. What is this letter? F. A. N. Fan. What is this? Fan. F. A. N. Fan. What is this? F. A. N. Fan. See here. F. A. N. Fan. This is fan. We are using fan in summer season, no? Summer season we are using fan a lot. Okay, na? You know about the fan, no? To what purpose we use? Yes. This is a fan. Okay, na? This is a fan. Okay. Fan spelling, see here. F. A. N. Fan. What is this? F. A. N. Fan. See here. This is what letter? F. This is N. Then what letter is missing here? F is there. N also is there. What letter is missing here? A. A. F. A. N. Fan. Okay. F. A. N. Fan. See here. This is a fan. F. A. N. Fan. See here. And the next. See here. Small m, small a, and small t. What is this? M A T. Mat. M A T. Mat. What is this? M A T. Mat. How to read this? M A T. Mat. See here. Mat. We'll sit no mat on the floor. We'll put the mat and we sit on this. Okay? This is a mat. What is this? A mat. What is this? Mat. Mat spelling M A T. Mat. What is this? M Okay. M-A-T. Mat. What is this? M-A-T. Mat. What is this? M-A-T. Mat. Next. R-E-D. Red. What is this? R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. How to read? R. This is small r. E-D. Red. This is red color. What is this? Red color. Even apple also will be in red color, no? Apple also in red color, no? Yes. This is red color. What is this? Red color. R-E-D. Red. See here. This is red color. What is this color? Red color. What is this color? Red color. See here. R-E-D. Red. See here. R is there. D also is there. In the middle, what letter is missing? What letter is missing? See here and you say? E. E. We are going to put there. Okay. E is missing. Now I am writing E here. This is E. What is this letter? E, small e. Now you read, come on. R-E-D. Red. What is this? R-E-D. Red. This is red color, no? So we are saying R-E-D. Red. And the next. T. Small t. This is small t. A. P down letter. Small t, small a, small p. T, A, P. Tap. What is this? T, A, P. Tap. You know, very nice. This is, what is this? Tap. What is this? We use tap to get the water. We use tap. We turn on the tap. What will come? Water will come. Okay, na? We use tap to get the water. Okay? This is tap. T, A, P. Tap. See here. T. What letter is missing here? T is here. And P also is here. What letter is missing here? A. What is this? A. T, A, P. Tap. See here. I am writing T here. A. T, A, P. A will come in the middle. T, A, P. Tap. What is this? T, A, P. Tap. See here. Tap will be like this now. You know very well. Okay. To get the water, we use tap. Next. J. U. G. What is this? J. U. G. Jug. What is this? J. U. G. Jug. This is jug. J. U. G. Jug. See here. This is a jug. Jug will be like this. We'll put water in this. Okay. We put water. Okay. We put water and we pour water in the glass. We use jug to we pour water in the glass to drink. This is a jug. We carry water with this. Okay. This is a jug. What is this? A jug. What is this? A jug. This is jug spelling you read. J U G. Jug. J U G. Jug. Here J is here and G also is here. What letter is missing here? What letter is missing here? Yes, U. U is not there, no? Now we'll write U here. Okay? This is small u. J U G. Jug. See here. This is jug. What is this? Jug. J U G. Jug. J U G. Jug. Next. The last one is K E Y. K E Y. Key. K E Y. Key. What is this? K E Y. Key. We use key to open the lock. We use key to open the lock. Okay, na? We use key to open the lock. This is how to read this word. K E Y. Key. K E Y. Key. See here. K is here and Y also is here. Then what letter is missing in the middle? What letter is missing in the middle? Yes, E. E. E, axe. B, A, T, bat. P, E, N, pen. C, A, R, car. F, A, N, fan. M, A, T, mat. R, E, D, red. T, A, P, tap. J, U, G, jet. K, E, Y, key. These are the words. These are the three letter words. See here, one letter, two letter, and three letter. All the letters are three letters only. Okay. Now I am going to write on the four rule. Okay. Take one four rule book and you also practice. Okay. First I am writing how to write in the four rule book. Okay. These words I am writing on the four rule. Come on. A, blue line to blue line. X, blue line to blue line. E also blue line to blue line. This is A, X, E. X. What is this? A, X, E. X. Next one. Small b from the red line. Small a, blue line to blue line. Small t from the red line. B, A, T. Bat. What is this? B, A, T. Bat. What is this? B, A, T. Small p down letter. Small e. Small e. And small n. P, E, N. Pen. What is this? P, E, N. Pen. What is this? P, E, N. Pen. Now, number 4. See here. This is small c, blue line to blue line, small a, blue line to blue line, and small r, blue line to blue line. What is this? C, A, R, car. What is this? C, A, R, car. And next one. This is small f, small a, and small n. It makes fan. What is this? Fan. F, A, N. Fan. What is this word? F, A, N. Fan. Next. Small m, small a, and small t. What is this? M, A, T. Mat. What is this? M, A, T. Mat. How to read this? M, A, T. Mat. Next. Small r, small e, and small d. R, E, D. Red. What is this? How to read this letter? R. This is E. And small d. R, E, D. Red. What is this? R, E, D. Red. It is color. It is color. Next. Red color. Next. Small t, small a, and small p. T, A, P. Tap. Small p down letter. T, A, P. Tap. What is this? T, A, P. Tap. What is this? T, A, P. Tap. And this next one. J. Small j is down letter. J. Small u, blue line to blue line. And small g also down letter. J, U, G. Jug. See here. This is a jug. J, U, G. Jug. J, U, G. Jug. And the last word is K, E, Y, key. K, small k from the red line to blue line. Small k, small e, small y is down letter. K, E, Y, key. What is this? K, E, Y, key. What is this? K, E, Y, key. Once again, I will tell you how to read the words. Once again, I will tell you. Come on. This is A, X, E, X. Axe. This is axe. B-A-T. Bat. This is a bat. P-E-N. Pen. This is C-A-R. Car. F-A-N. Fan. M-A-T. Mat. R-E-D. Red color. This is a color. Red color. T-A-P. Tap. J-U-G. Jug. K-E-Y. Key. Okay. These are the 3-letter words you practice 2 times at home. See here, take one 4-rule book and divide it into 3 parts. Okay. First time, second time. Here 1 time and here 2 times. You practice at home. Okay. Learn and write. Yes. Like this. These words you should practice at home. Learn and write. Learn and write 2 times. How many times? 2 times at home. With your parents' support. Parents, you also please support your children while they are writing. Okay, these words. See here, while writing these words, your handwriting also should be very neat. See, follow the lines. Which letter is coming from which line?